Climate change refers to long-term changes in the Earth's climate, including changes in temperature, precipitation patterns, and extreme weather events. These changes are largely driven by human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation. They contribute to the greenhouse effect, which traps heat in Earth's atmosphere, leading to global warming. One of the most significant consequences of climate change is rising global temperatures. Rising temperatures can cause polar ice caps to melt, leading to an increase in sea levels and potential flooding of coastal cities. They can also impact agriculture and food production by altering weather patterns and increasing the risk of extreme weather patterns such as heat waves, droughts, and hurricanes. We can prevent climate change in 6 ways. 1. Reduce energy consumption. Turn off lights and electronics when not in use. Use energy-efficient appliances and consider alternative energy sources such as solar power. 2. Embrace renewable energy. Choose green energy suppliers and use renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydropower to reduce your carbon footprint. 3. Sustainable transportation. Walk, cycle, or use public transportation instead of driving and consider electric or hybrid vehicles. 4. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Limit the amount of waste we produce. Reuse items whenever possible and recycle what cannot be reused. 5. Plant trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is essential for our survival on Earth. 6. Educate others. Spread awareness about climate change and inspire others to take action like we are right now.
Climate change solutions. First of all, let's clarify something very important. There's no silver bullet when it comes to tackling climate change. But there are several approaches that have shown promise when implemented at a scale. For example, the transitions to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. It has made a significant impact. And with more and more countries committing and phasing out fossil fuels in their energy mix, it's helping the environment. But, however, climate change is a very complex issue. It requires a multi-pronged approach. This includes reducing greenhouse gases emissions through energy-efficient measures, promoting sustainable agriculture and land use practices, investing in green infrastructure projects, and working towards circular economic that minimizes waste and promotes resource reuse. Now, the cost of implementing these solutions can be quite high, but at first glance, but many of them actually save a lot of money in the long run due to improved efficiency, reduced pollution costs. The key to finding affordable ways to implement these measures while still ensuring their effectiveness in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. This can include things like improving installation in buildings or switching over to electric cars, both of which save you money over time and while reducing your carbon footprint. Although you should switch to these energy efficient ways, you must be careful and do your research. Not everything is as energy efficient as you seem. Take electric/hybrid vehicles, for example. The batteries still take a lot of time to make, and it needs fossil fuels and burning other important minerals. So, in conclusion, while tackling climate change might seem daunting at first, there are indeed effective solutions out there. It's about choosing the right ones for each situation and investing them for a greener planet for all of us.